Take a slow breath in. Hold it gently. Now release. Again, breathe in deeply through your nose. Feel your chest rise. Hold and slowly let it go. Allow your shoulders to drop. Allow your jaw to soften. Allow your body to know it is safe right now. You are here. You survived everything that tried to break you, and you are still here. That alone is strength. Now bring your awareness inward, not to your problems, not to your responsibilities, not to who needs you, but to you. The version of you that kept going when no one clapped. The version of you that cried quietly and still showed up the next day. The version of you that doubted yourself but moved forward anyway. Place your hand gently over your heart. Feel that heartbeat. That rhythm is proof. You are chosen to be here. You are not an accident. You are not a mistake. You are not behind. You are not less than. You are becoming. Now breathe in again. With this breath, imagine inhaling assurance. Exhale doubt. Inhale belief. Exhale fear. Inhale strength. Exhale old stories that said you weren't enough. You were always enough. You were just surrounded by people or situations that could not see your value. And today, we release their blindness from your identity. You do not need to perform to deserve love. You do not need to prove to be valuable. You do not need to shrink to make others comfortable. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to speak clearly. You are allowed to outgrow what once fit you. You are allowed to choose yourself. Let that sink in. Now picture a younger version of you, maybe 5 years old, maybe 10, maybe a season when you felt small, overlooked, misunderstood. See their eyes. They were not weak. They were learning. They were not unworthy. They were sensitive. They were not too much. They were full of light. Silently tell that younger you, I see you. I protect you now. I honor you. You did your best, and I am proud of you. Feel that healing, because healing is not forgetting. Healing is reclaiming. Now shift your attention to your posture. Sit taller. Lift your chin slightly. This is the posture of someone who knows who they are. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm. It is the quiet knowing that I do not chase validation. I do not beg for respect. I do not compete for worth. I am worthy because I exist. I am valuable because I breathe. I am powerful because I choose to rise. Let those words settle into your nervous system. There may have been moments where you felt rejected, moments where doors closed, moments where people underestimated you. But listen carefully. Rejection did not reduce your value. It redirected your path. Underestimation did not shrink your potential. It concealed it until the right time. Closed doors did not mean failure. They meant protection. Every delay shaped you. Every struggle strengthened you. Every tear watered growth you couldn't yet see. You are not behind. You are being built. Take another deep breath. Imagine your confidence like a golden light in your chest. It's not arrogance. It's not pride. It is steady. It is grounded. It says, I trust myself. I trust my growth. I trust my timing. Even when you don't have all the answers, you trust your ability to figure it out. Even when you feel uncertain, you trust your resilience. Even when you fall, you trust your rise. That is self-assurance. Now repeat softly, either aloud or in your mind, I am enough. I am becoming stronger every day. I release comparison. I release shame. I release the need to be perfect. I choose progress. I choose growth. I choose me. Pause. Let the silence affirm it. Your worth is not tied to productivity. Your value is not tied to how much you give. Your identity is not tied to your past mistakes. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to reset. You are allowed to reinvent yourself. And every time you choose healing over bitterness, you elevate. Every time you choose self-respect over desperation, you transform. Every time you choose courage over comfort, you expand. That is power. Now take one final deep breath. Inhale deeply. Hold it. Feel the strength in your body. And exhale slowly. You are not the same person you were. You are wiser. You are deeper. You are more aware. And you are stepping into a version of yourself that does not doubt her worth, that does not question her value, that does not shrink her light. Walk in assurance. Stand in worth. Move in confidence. And remember, you are not becoming powerful. You have always been. You are just remembering.